Alright, let's look at the homework 12.3, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find a unit vector that is orthogonal to both I plus j and I plus k. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we don't know this vector, so I'm going to call this vector v. And let's ignore the fact that it has to be a unit vector for now. So we have, so vector v is say a comma b comma c, since we don't know what they are. All right, then we have to make sure that this is orthogonal to both vectors. All right, so this is I don't like this notation. I'm going to rewrite it as 1 comma 1 comma 0. All right, then this one is 1 comma 0 comma 1, right? All right, so since they are orthogonal, so dot product with v has to be equal to 0. So see what kind of a condition we can get. All right, so we do a v, take the dot product with vector I plus vector j. All right, so this is going to be, all right, a comma b comma c dot product with 1 comma 1 comma 0. Right, this is going to give you, right, a times 1 plus b times 1 and c times 0. So this has to be equal to 0. All right, so we have that. And then we do a v dot I plus k. All right, so this is going to give us, right, a comma b comma c dot product with 1 comma 0 comma 1. All right, so this is going to be equal to a plus 0 plus c. So this is equal to 0. All right, so we can rewrite, maybe I'm going to solve this this equation for b. So I'm going to subtract a. So b is going to be equal to negative a, right? Then here, all right, so you have, let's see, I'm going to subtract the a again. C is going to be equal to negative a as well, right? So far, from here, we know that vector v has to be, all right, so we don't know what a is, but we want b to be negative a, and also c to be negative a, right? So all we have to do is we have to make sure that this is a unit length, right? So unit vector u is going to be simply take the vector v, which is already pointing in the right direction. Then we just have to divide through by its magnitude. So this is going to be, all right, so everyone has a, so I'm going to pull out the a. So you're going to have a 1 comma negative 1 comma negative 1, right? Then the magnitude of this guy is going to be square root of, right, a squared plus negative a squared would be a squared again, and a squared again. All right, so this is going to be here. All right, so we have, and we're going to pull out a, and assuming that a is positive, so let's see, so you have 3a squared, so square root of a squared would be a, then you still have square root of 3, right? Then you have a here, and 1 comma negative 1 comma negative 1, right? So we can cancel a on top and a on the bottom, right? So you can see that we get 1 over square root of 3. Actually, it might be easier to just do this. So 1 over square root of 3 in front. Then you have 1 comma negative 1 comma negative 1. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so what we got was 1 over square root of 3. Then you have the vector 1 comma negative 1 comma negative 1. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.